Welcome to the channel, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, missing court files cause court delay. People are calling this state corruption at the highest level and injustice on the part of Donna Donaldson and her family. And if you agree, drop a like on the video and of course drop a comment in the comment section. Now, how could this take place? Now, speaking of state corruption, Stevens also exposed the foreign minister and the Ministry of Affairs. May I make on here wagwan and then continue to reason. Look and listen.
In a statement today, Senator Scott Motley said she had disclosure of a contract from an 11-page U.S. Foreign Agent Restriction Act filing done by Finn Partners on June 1, 2022. And a subsequent addendum filed June 6. The contract, which began on April 2022 with equal payments of US 33,000 US 33,000 on the start of the work May 1, 2022 and June 1, 2022. It is also disclosed by the FARA disclosure list Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith as the foreign principal, with her address being 2 Port Royal Street, Kingston, Jamaica, which has the same as the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. You hear this, Jamaica? So she is known in the... Is who this? Hello? Hello?
Hi, Mr. Stevens.
Yes.
So like if you're up on the road, can you tell me say your day was going to be busy?
I'm on a live now. I can't talk now. Me a beat and teach.
Oh, Jesus, have mercy, Christ. Alright.
Hear this apart, you know, which is the same as the Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Ministry. So where in the FRA filing does it mention any Jamaican private sector company as claimed by Minister Nestor Morgan, who speaks for the Cabinet of Jamaica? Me hot. Nestor Morgan, you said, Nestor Morgan, private sector companies paid. You said, Nestor Morgan, private sector companies financed Miss Johnson-Smith campaign. You said it, Nestor Morgan. You said it. But now, in the U.S. Foreign Agent Restriction Act, Miss Johnson-Smith is actually a principal, foreign principal. So I want to know. I want to know, Jamaica. I'm not tired of them foolishness, you know. I'm not tired of them. I'm not tired of them. I'm not tired of them. I'm not tired. I'm not tired of them. All this time, they were actually misleading the country. Can you believe? All this time, they misled a nation. Come on! So can you believe, Jamaica, the 18.2 million that was given to the PR company. Can you believe that Kamina Johnson Smith is a member, a director, a principal, a co-owner for that company? Can you believe Jamaica? She is actually a member, owner, part owner. Can you believe Jamaica? The great Kamina Johnson Smith, the golden girl for the Jamaica Labour Party. Can you believe? So here is the deception, Jamaica. The same company who we taxpayers pay the $18.2 million. Kamina Johnson Smith is a member of the company, it is alleged. Can you believe she's actually a member? Remember, Jamaica, they said that we get value for our money. They said that we get value for our money. And you're going to tell me, Jamaica, all across the globe, you're going to tell me that this woman who comes across as a clean and transparent and accountable Jamaican, who pretends as though her hands are clean and she never steps in dirt and filth. Can you believe, Jamaica? Can you believe that the woman said they paid $18.2 million? And Nesta Morgan, who said it was a corporate entity. You know, in some other countries, those two ministers would have had to resign. In other jurisdictions, Nesta Morgan, effective immediately, because he misled a country, would have had to resign. Kamina equally, that's a conflict of interest. That is a major conflict of interest. If you were a principal director in the company, how can the company be contracted to do public relations for you? How can the company? Isn't it a major conflict of interest, Jamaica?
Talk to my people. As stated, some people are seeing this as a clear failure on the part of the state. This being a high-profile case. Next to the Russian Barnett situation, this is definitely the high-profile case taking place right now. Documents should have been checked and double-checked. Them already know the fact that on cases like this, especially when the main suspect is a member, former member of law enforcement, people already are looking and say, watching certain things take place even in the investigation. And people are on the lookout for corruption. Now, as it pertains to the millions that is said to be paid to a company after the government stated that it was donations, it turns out that this was not donations, but indeed taxpayer money. Tell me how you feel about that. Talk to me in the comment section. Now, if you're new to the channel, just pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. Now a quick recap. People are calling this corruption at the highest level, seeing that they are stating that missing files was the cause of the court delay in the case against Noel Maitland. And it's now been alleged that the millions used for PR in a recent government campaign was not donation, but in fact taxpayer dollars. Talk to me.